Hello guys, welcome back to Rising with Soccer with me, Vivek. Coming to the match number 19, we have Croatia versus Czech Republic, game from Group D. The game will be played at Hampden Park, UK. Croatia lineup will be like 4-3-3 formation with Levakovic in goal, Saletasar and Vida in centre back partnership, Guardiol and Vraslik in wing fullbacks. Kovacic, Modric, and Vlasic will be the midfield partnership. They were good against the game in England, but they were not that much effective. But hopefully, they must have got some good training and they will be able to cope up with Czech Republic this time. And then coming to a forward line, I think Perisic, Petkovic, and Brekalo will be playing. Brekalo had a fantastic game against England, and I'm hoping to see more from this guy because he is absolutely good in wing positions. He was causing problems to the fullbacks of England, and hopefully we will see a good match. Coming to the Czech Republic will be going with the 4-2-3-1 as they played in the last game with Vaslik in goal, Kalas and Seluska in centre backs roles, Boril and Sufal and fullback role. Kral and Susek were brilliant in last game against Scotland. They didn't allowed any attackers like McGinn and McTominay and Armstrong. They completely locked them down. So they are having a beautiful partnership there in CDM role. And coming to the forward line, Jankto, Derrida, and Musopast. Musopast and Jankto were very much brilliant against Scotland. They were always trying to cut inside and get into the D to take a shot against Scotland, out of which they were took a lot of shot but could not capitalize onto the uh, goal. And Patrick Schick, what a brilliant guy! First game in Euro, and he scored two goals against Scotland, one from the halfway line. Absolutely brilliant goal it was. As we did a match preview in that game also. That time I said Patrick Schick will be a very, very good player, and he certainly proved me right by scoring two goals in that game. So hopefully we will be able to see more from this guy. Player to watch will be Luka Modric. If Croatia needs to win this game, Luka Modric has to step up his game in today's game and somehow he has to get a goal from outside the box, I guess, because Modric has a good shooting ability from outside the box and he has that clever technique to score the goals from outside. So I'm hoping to see a Modric goal and Croatia winning this game as 1-0. Coming to the stats from the last game, first game is England versus Croatia. We can see Croatia also had the same number of shots as England. Shots on target also same. Possession, Croatia was having much better than that. If you see, this game was very equal, but one moment of brilliance from Calvin Phillips gave a chance to England to score a goal, and they scored. Otherwise, if you see the stats wise, Croatia was equal or better team than England. But just because of one moment of brilliance, England got the goal and they won the game. And coming to the Scotland versus Czech Republic game, you can see Scotland has double the shots which Czech Republic had, but shot on target were less. So a 4 out of 19 is like 25% of shots were on target only. So it's very bad set. And if you see from the Czech Republic side, 70% of shots were on target. So Czech Republic are very clinical, I guess, because they scored two goals out of seven shots. So that's a big achievement. Position wise, Scotland were brilliant. I agree with that, but that is the way football is not won by keeping the ball possession, but by uh, uh, taking the chances and scoring the goals. And you can see, if you see the stat wise, Scotland looks good. Like position were more, passes were more, pass accuracy was also more. Uh, the six corners they had same as Czech Republic, but they could not score the goal. I hope Che Adams will be starting today's game for Scotland versus England, but hopefully Czech Republic scored two goals. Patrick Schick via a 52nd minute was a word. It will be goal of the tournament. And coming to the uh, group standing, we are seeing Czech Republic is the top because they scored two goals. England scored one goal, so they are second. Croatia and Scotland lost the first matches, so Croatia will do anything to win today, and they wouldn't take their chances going into the last game if they draw this game. So I'm hoping for a Croatia brilliance in this game, and they will be scoring the goal to get into comfortable position in the Euro. So coming to the soccer board for Croatia versus Czech Republic, the orange is Croatia and the blue is Czech Republic. As we have seen, 4-3-3 formation from Croatia, this 4-3-3, and 4-2-3-1 from Czech Republic. That is this 4-2-3 and 1. Okay, so once the game will start, they will be going like we will be seeing one of the left back or right back will be coming in to support the midfielders. Like this will be coming as like this. So mostly the Croatian team will be trying to find a space in this area or that area. So they will be trying to get the space. And the goal which I'm hoping from Luka Modric today will be coming from this position, because Luka Modric operates in left, right, but he likes to score the goals from this area. If you see outside the box, just outside the box, from and he can score. He can really punish Czech Republic side by scoring that goal, because we have seen whenever the team attacks, okay, a Croatian team attacks, their main players are Mateo Kovacic and Luka Modric. So these three will be wingers. Whenever they will be in the forward positions, these three wingers will always be inside the D, or they will be outside the wingers, and support will be there from uh, Brekalo. Here is Brekalo. Here is our Parasic, and Petkovic is here. So here we are having Brekalo and sorry, Vaslik and one of the Vrasalko from right back. So he also sometimes shifts towards midfield from his right back role. So he will be instrumental, and the whole Czech Republic team will be there to defend. But let's see whether Czech Republic goes all defending in this game, so that they can get a 1 point and they can secure their place in the Euros. But hopefully Croatia will be able to take care of the game today by winning it. So hopefully this is the way. Croatia will be scoring. Croatia will be handling most of the game from the central part. Sometimes they attack from wing also, but as we know, Mateo Kovacic and Modric are very strong in central areas of the midfield. They will be going into these shooting zones and they will be trying to score from the outside the goal. And hopefully, Modric will get a goal from here. One good thing for Czech Republic is, if at all they do not wish to score, they can stop Croatia from scoring by keeping a low block like every player in the defense, and they can try to hurt them only via single player who is a pacey one. And in their team, I can see Patrick Schick is a very good guy who can utilize the space, and he can take the long range shot also. So I'm hoping Czech Republic will be going for a low block where the D box will be very crowded, where Croatia will not be able to enter into box also to take a shot. But and if at all they uh, intercept the ball, they can directly provide the ball to Patrick Schick, and Patrick Schick can make the uh, runs. And till then, whenever he can hold the ball, the other attackers can also help him by joining the attack and trying to take advantage of the this situation. So let's see how it goes. But I'm hoping for a Croatia win with the 1-0, with the moment of brilliance from Luka Modric. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.